At Sprung, we are redefining community recreation possibilities. For decades, we have worked with schools, universities, sports teams, corporate organizations, and communities to build high-performance, innovative sports facilities that outperform traditional athletic buildings in many ways. In Boise, Idaho, they had a need for a new aquatic facility to support their growing community, so they began looking for a solution that would meet their needs.
Well, we built the facility because of a drastic shortage in water space in the Treasure Valley, and a need for kids and families and parents to be able to swim competitively, to learn to swim, to play water polo, whatever your aquatic needs are. We looked at a variety of resources and tools to do that, and one of those options was a sprung structure, and it turned out to be a great facility for a pool.
There are many reasons people are choosing to build with Sprung instead of a traditional building. Cost and timeline are at the top of that list.
We looked at standard bricks and mortar, we looked at steel buildings, we looked at Sprung. It really came down to one, the type of building, the environment it would create, and of course the cost.
And the decision making to go with Sprung was fairly easy. A traditional building this size with this scope to be able to hold these pools would have cost us probably the same as the entire project cost us.
But what was great about Sprung is their ability to work through issues that came up. The cost-efficient manner which the building came was phenomenal. The speed of which the building could go up was a huge benefit to us. Rather than spending a year building a bricks and mortar building, we could get a Sprung building up in a matter of months.
Yeah, it was a really short amount of time compared to other construction. One of the benefits was it allowed us to get up and running sooner.
Every Sprung structure is built with a corrosion-free, military-grade aluminum substructure to ensure ultimate longevity and durability. Our high-performance insulation system allows our structures to provide optimum energy efficiency anywhere on the planet all year round.
The fabric and the aluminum base of this building just makes sense. With chlorine and acid, those are corrosive materials, and over the long haul, this building is going to save us a ton of money on upkeep, on repairs, on updates and upgrades.
It is an aquatic center. There's a lot of humidity in the air. One of the benefits of using aluminum is it's not going to rust on us.
Climate control is another standout feature. The advanced membrane technology provides exceptional thermal insulation, maintaining optimal temperatures while dramatically reducing heating and cooling expenses.
And the insulation, the material it's made of, great materials, very durable, and very insulated. So got some great insulation value here. They can keep the temperatures where they need them. I think it works out very well.
This is a year-round facility. The building is insulated to R30, so we have enough insulation here to maintain this. That natural heat off the pool gets trapped in by this airtight building and this insulation, and helps us keep this building heated at a relatively cheaper cost than a typical, brick and mortar building that sort of lets some of that air escape.
Our open concept clear span design allows for maximum flexibility and efficiency, stunning lighting, and a natural open air feel.
The best part of this building, I would say, is how bright it is. We've been to a lot of other pools just throughout my life and whatnot, and when people walk in this building and the first thing they say is wow, and their eyes light up, that's one of the coolest things.
One of the main reasons we have this building is because there's no interior columns. It goes complete wall to wall, completely open, all the way down, and makes a big difference, and there's no columns in the way, and that is the best thing about this.
From competitive swimming training to family recreation, from aquatic therapy to community events, this facility creates possibilities, builds community, and demonstrates how innovative design can transform something as simple as a swimming pool into an extraordinary space.
After being in here for 18 months, I just don't see how anybody builds a structure that isn't a Sprung structure. We've been in a year and a half, and I don't have anything negative to say.
Featuring 2 multiple lanes for lap swimming, locker rooms, and a full fitness area and office space, this facility is a complete aquatic solution for the community.
It's the only Olympic-size pool that meets international standards for holding competitions in the entire state of Idaho. We've got our long course pool and our short course pool. We've provided over 35,000 lessons in our first year of existence. And really, truly, that's the best thing that comes out of this facility is teaching kids to swim.
At Sprung, we are making the impossible possible when and where it is needed most. Contact us today for more information about how we can provide a Sprung solution for your project.